Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is May 14th and I am back with another Boxycharm unboxing. Today I just have the Boxycharm base box because I have not yet received the premium box. But I am super excited to get into the Boxycharm May 2020 box. So without further ado, let's get right in. This month, okay, so it looks like for the base boxes, they aren't doing the cards anymore, so I don't have the prices. So what I'll try to do is look up the prices as we go. To start, the first item in the box is the Daily Concepts Shampoo Bar, which retails for $24 on their website. Okay. $24. It's super cute. So it's got a little rope. Well, that's super cute. It smells good. It smells really good. It has some avocado oil, aloe, nopal cactus. At $24, like we've had, like in Boxycharm boxes, we had other Daily Concept products. Plant-based vegan. Well, that's cool. I'll give this a shot. I have fine hair, fine but thicker hair, which is sometimes confusing to people, but I tend to get very greasy even after like 2 days of not shampooing. So I try, even still, I try not to shampoo, but 2 to 3 times a week, just because I don't want to over cleanse my hair. And I want to be used to not necessarily being over cleansed, and I work out 6 days a week. So maybe I'll try this instead of, I've been using my Redken shampoo lately, but I'm interested to try this. I've never had nor used a shampoo bar. Next up is the Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Primer, which you can get on Amazon for $22. And if you subscribe, you can save $1.10 and get it for $20.90. I wouldn't subscribe to this. That seems weird. Just because you don't know how fast you're gonna get through it. On Pretty Vulgar's website, it is $22. So this is a $22 product. I'm interested. I don't usually use eyeshadow primers just because I'm not big on doing eyeshadow. But it is tinted. So that's it right here. It is tinted, but not like concealer tinted. And it's a pretty thick but tacky formula, and it doesn't feel like, oh wow, like I can really feel it on my fingers. So that's interesting. I can give it a try. I've used the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, which I'm not against. Which I'm not against. I like that eyeshadow primer. Again, I just don't really do eyeshadow very often, and oftentimes I forget about primer. So I'll have to give this a try. I've liked some of their other products from Pretty Vulgar. Next up is I Am Dead Sea Mineral and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. I've kind of stopped using makeup remover wipes. They're not the most sustainable. I will give these a try though. These wipes, $17 on IAM's website. And how many wipes are there? Removes even waterproof mascara. There's 25, which I think is actually more than I've gotten in some other packages. But that seems pretty expensive, 17. I don't know, I like cleansing balms. I do like micellar water, but the micellar water I have from Garnier in the pink bottle is actually, it bothers my eyes, and I don't think it's the mascara, like when I'm cleaning it off, I think it's the micellar water, and it just might be that the blue one is better. I think it's blue, maybe purple, but the pink one may not be for me, personally. But that's interesting that it's 17. I feel like all of these products so far are fairly pricey. Next up is the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. I've not seen this. I mean, it's a pretty basic nude palette. They're fairly skinny for the shades, which kind of reminds me of like the Naked palettes. I don't know, I'm not blown away by this so far, to be honest. I do like this dusk color, which, I mean, I don't know if you can see it very well, just because I'm filming later in the day. That was dusk, maybe flaxen. Will that show up more? There you go. The metallic showed up pretty well. So this is blush, which is a very blush-like color, and then Flaxen, which is a pretty color. I mean, they're not bad. This is a very, I would say, very wearable, everyday sort of palette, just because it's so neutral and nude. So I'm not against that. Let's see, Studio Makeup. The Studio Makeup Easy to Wear palette. I will agree that they're right. It's easy to wear. Okay, so this palette is $35. I don't know, we'll see. I mean, if you're interested in this, or if you're interested in just a nudes palette, it does seem like very wearable. I will give them that. It does seem very wearable. There's not a black, but you could still do a smoky eye with the browns. You could probably build that up. I mean, it's not really Fate. This color right here, you could use to kind of build up the outer. Yeah, I don't know. $35 for this palette? I don't know. But I will say the product that I'm most excited about, and this was the product that I chose for this month, was the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. Now, I love Glam Glow's masks. I think they're really great. There's also a lot of other affordable masks out there that are just as good, if not better. I personally love, I think it's BioBell's glycolic sheet mask. Now, sheet masks aren't necessarily the most sustainable and like environmentally friendly. I will say though, I can see a noticeable difference when I use that mask on a week versus when I don't use that mask on a week. I love BioBell's glycolic and their red wine masks. Love them. But I do love Glam Glow, so I'm really interested to see how this product works. Now I'm gonna see how much this Glam Glow. So oh my goodness. All right. So this box, the base box for Boxycharm May, I mean every month, but even just this month, is $25. Now, you've seen 22, you've seen 24, you've seen 35, you've seen $17. Now, obviously, most, if not all of them, are equal or more, you know, they're right around the cost of the box. The Glam Glow Probiotic Mask is a $49 product. So there's a lot of people who will get really upset, like, yeah, I'm not like crazy enthused by the Studio Makeup, and I'm not like crazy enthused by the Eyeshadow Primer, or even the makeup removing wipes. But I spent $25 on this box and I got a $49 product that I'm actually excited about. Like I only need one product in this box to equal or outweigh the cost for this to be worthwhile, and it be a product that I'm excited about. And yeah. For this month's May base box, not premium, base box, the base box is $25. I got a $49 product, a $22, a $24, a $35, and a $17 product. So we're looking at $147 worth of product in a $25 box. Now again, some people will be like, everything in this box wasn't amazing, or I wasn't excited about everything in this box. But it goes back to, for me, I choose Boxycharm over other brands or like boxes because I get at least one product that I'm excited about that definitely makes up for the cost of the box, is comparable in some way, if not more products. And I get to try new products. So a big one for me lately, I love skincare. And for me, the reason why I prefer Boxycharm over other boxes is they have a bigger skincare element. And I have gotten so many face washes that I love, like the Glam Glow face wash, the Elemis foaming face wash, love it. I've gotten Dr. Brandt face washes as well as Dr. Brandt sleeping masks. I have gotten face masks galore, as well as Glow Recipe. Now, Glow Recipe has taken off in the past couple of months. Like, I had never heard of them before. I got them in Boxycharm, and then I'm blown away. Like, I can't buy I think it's the pineapple serum I can't buy one of the watermelon products. And I've gotten 2 Glow Recipe products in Boxycharm boxes that have blown me away. Like I absolutely love the watermelon moisturizer, and I love the watermelon face mist. And I just actually in the Sephora sale got the PHA BHA watermelon toner. I like some of these products and brands that I have found through Boxycharm are phenomenal, and I'm so glad I found them, and that's why I keep coming back to Boxycharm. Every month doesn't have to be every product in the box is amazing for me. I just need one, and it's worth it because I get to try something at a generally cheaper price than I would have, and it's probably a product I never would have tried on my own. So with that being said, for $25, $147 value is phenomenal, and I'm super excited to try out this mask, which I'll probably try out tonight. So if you guys are interested in joining Boxycharm, it is every month for the base box, every month for the premium box if you choose to sign up, and it's every quarter for the Luxe box, which the next Luxe box is coming out in June. So if you guys want to sign up, I will leave my referral link down below. I believe generally there's usually like every month, like if you sign up and use a code, you can also get an added product in, and I will try to make sure I find that link and put it down below. But if you sign up using my referral link, I get 500 points that I can use towards Boxycharm. They have a charm shop, or I think I can use it towards shipping costs. I don't remember, but I'll leave that down below. And if you guys like videos like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe down below if you're new. If you want to see more videos like this, or if you have video suggestions, make sure to put those down in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.